Welcome to our mobile job sheet system. In this video we'll show you how to use the quotation features. First, open the job edit page and click the quote button. On the quote page you can edit any existing parts or add new ones. Existing parts can be edited and new parts can be added along with their sales price. Each part can be included or excluded from the quote, so you get a flexible and bespoke quotation. You have the option to add comments to be included in the quote, and if you use the job note system you can also select notes previously added. Click to create the new quote and view to see the created quotation. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to know more about our mobile job sheet system, then check out our website, call our office or see further videos as we release them.